Here we are in Toledo, and we have a hot and just getting Dover impulse. Really got you there. Really can't escape Dover DMCs no matter where you go. Holeless Dover DMC looks like. Wow, this level's slow. Huh, it's a ThyssenKrupp. It's got the bumper though. I don't know, this is definitely Dover, but it doesn't do the thing where it rings on the, oh, it just doesn't ring, I don't think. Very dim indicator there. This thing's really fast on the travel, but really slow on the leveling.